Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. I'll be walking you through how to self-host your Convex database on Coolify using your custom domains. And by this, I mean it's not localhost, it's not Docker on your local machine, but remotely. For example, if I come to my browser and I go to HTTPS, if you can look at my URL, it's dashboard.convex.toolsandtuts.com. So if I come here, it's requiring a key, copied my key, so I'm going to paste it here and log in. Voila, this is it. All right, I'll be walking you through the steps, but first I'll be stopping this service, meaning I'm going to kill this application and I'll start all over again to see you through the process in doing this. All right, so I'll stop the service, confirm. All right, now it's time to delete it. Okay, delete, continue, done, enter password, done. Okay, all right, it's gone. So the first step would be to create a new resource. All right, so once you get here, it will be giving you options. And I'm going to be picking one of the options, which would be using the Docker Compose file. So basically, we're going to be using this code as supplied in the self-host with Convex. It's in the tutorial. You can read the blog. I'll be attaching the link to this in the description. All right, so we're going to be copying this. Okay, copied. Good. All right, so we're going to Docker Compose empty, right? The middle one here. Then we're going to paste in the code. Good. Now there are three environment variables you need to replace, which are 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is what I want it to look like. There is cloud, there is site. All right, so this is the domain I want my cloud.convex.tools.com. By the way, you would have gone to your domain.com to set up the configuration, all right? Meaning you'll know how to update DNS records. So basically you would have this. This is created, this is the CNAME of the parent domain, which is of course toolsandtools.com. All right, so you would go and set that up in your domain provider. Once you have this ready, then the next will be the site, though it's a domain. Convex.tools.com. Then the final one would be HTTPS, the dashboard. Convex.tools and all right. So I need these three. So the first cloud, the cloud subdomain is coming here. So Convex Cloud Origin. So you're going to replace this with what you want it to be. The next would be to replace the site with what you want it to be. Convex Site Origin. Now, the next public deployment URL will be the cloud origin, which is this one here. So once you do that, all right, you'd save and you'd make some changes. It will take you to this page where you'll be able to make some changes to the name, the URL. All right, so first service name, I'm going to call this Convex. All right, to save this. Then for the backend and the dashboard, this is what I am going to do. For your backend, you using the cloud origin. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to put the domain here. I'm going to save. Then for the dashboard, we're using the dashboard URL. This one. So we're coming to settings here. Put the domain and save. So you go back and you want to be sure that your environment variables are properly set so that everything points to where it should go. All right. So what next? You come, you check your environment variables. and you check the developer view, it should give you this. The full qualified domain name is for the cloud. And of course, the dashboard goes to the dashboard. Good. The backend should go to the cloud, as said. The dashboard goes to the dashboard. Good. Now it's time to deploy. I'm going to click deploy. All right. It will bring out the window. I'll pause the recording and I'll continue once it's fully deployed. All right. It's fully deployed and you should get a window or messages that look like this container started. All right. Good. So the next step would be to come to the documentation. All right. It will tell you to go to the backend terminal. All right. And click on put this and press enter to generate your admin key. Okay. This is what that means. You need to come here, right? Okay. Select the container there too. There will be the backend, there will be the dashboard. All right. I'm going to open this. I'm not going to show the key because of course you need to keep this private. All right. So I'll stop or pause the video right now, generate the key and come back after I've copied the video or the key itself. All right. So I'm going to pause this. All right. I've copied the key. Now it's time to test it. All right, so I'm going to come into https://dashboard convex token tools. Right. Okay. Deployment URL. It's going to show the cloud URL like said. All right, so I'm going to put in my admin key here. Now that's pasted. Before I press the login, I want to show you that this is actually running. So you must be certain that your Convex deployment is running in this cloud URL. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So once I click login, voila. All right. That's how to deploy or self-host your Convex database on Coolify using your custom domain. Thank you.